It is a single lane highway, so where we have to close a lock, it basically shuts down river traffic. The river will become congested. The users of the waterway have stressed that they would like to have one consolidated closure to minimize impacts out in the further years.
We need to de-water locks and dams to do critical maintenance on the miter gates and any of the areas that aren't accessible typically while the locks are in operation.
There's been some long days, hard work. The weather hasn't been ideal, so everybody's doing a great job.
We're working on very big structural things, gates that are 300,000 pounds, and it's just a lot of work. Do what we can, usually.
You know, we did the closures as well in 2020. It's a huge combined effort, the whole district, contractors as well, and all of our infrastructure is aging. I think this will really help in the future for private pleasure boaters. We move a lot of commerce up and down this river, so it'll be a good thing to keep it moving.